Okay, so I'm just going to switch over right now to my desktop and I'm going to be showing you guys how everything works because it just makes a lot more sense showing you guys on the screen versus me doing all the talking. So grab yourself a pen and paper, a notepad, get a cup of tea, cup of coffee, wine, water, whatever suits you, and take down some notes as we go along. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you how to pick a niche, okay? And then we're going to move on to creating your blog. Don't panic, I'm going to show you a very easy way to do that. Next, we're going to be adding some content to our blog and I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very, very easy way in literally just minutes, okay? So if you don't know what to write in your blog, I'm going to show you exactly how to start adding lots and lots of content into your blog. Next, I'm going to show you how to register with Amazon as an affiliate. And finally, I'm going to show you how you can start promoting your products and making money. And to help you guys stay on track, I've also created a free checklist that you can download below this video and complete as we go along, okay? So the first thing you want to do, of course, is make sure you pick a niche. So your niche is essentially going to be the type of products that you're passionate about. So what do you want to sell? Now, if you go to the Amazon website, you can actually get some niche ideas as well. So you can literally just see the type of products that are being sold on Amazon right now. You can see right here we have electronics, computers, smart home, art, baby, beauty and care, women's fashion. So if you go to the electronics section, for example, you can see there's even more things there that you can promote under that niche as well. So you've got a variety of products to tap into. And then let's go to the baby products, which is one I'm really passionate about as a mom because I do shop a lot for baby products on Amazon. So if you are a mom, maybe that's something you can look at as well because I mean you already use baby products, so it only makes sense, right? It's a no-brainer to tap into promoting baby products to other moms and also trying them out yourself as you go along. Girl, you have baby care, you have bathing, grooming, health, pacifiers, so many products. So you can literally promote all those products as an affiliate and earn commissions from them, right? So if you still don't know what to sell on Amazon, I recommend you come on to the product category section here and just find out the different products that they have available within the Amazon platform. That's another great way to figure out what type of niche to tap into, okay? Once you have a niche figured out, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a blog. Now, in order to get approved as an Amazon affiliate, it is highly recommended that you have a platform because Amazon will review all that information prior to approving your account. And if you don't have a website, then you're essentially telling them, I'm just going to go out there and spam people, right? So, of course, your account will be rejected if you do not have a website. Now, there's a lot of videos here on YouTube that teach you how to create a blog step by step. I'm just going to give you guys a sort of a basic overview on how to get your blog set up, okay? Now, to get your blog set up, one of the platforms I would highly recommend you check out is Bluehost. You can check out the link below this video if you want a discount off your web hosting, or you can visit www.startupbrain.com/Bluehost and it should take you to this page very similar to this one. So in order to get started with creating your blog, you will need a domain name, which is essentially the name of your website or your blog, and you would also need a web hosting. Now, your domain name is the www.yourbusinessname.com, whatever you choose to call that. And your web hosting is essentially where you're going to be creating content, you're going to be writing blog posts, sharing images, videos, and all that good stuff. So you need this to get your blog set up, okay? And don't make the mistake of going out there and registering for free blogging platforms because a lot of affiliate marketing programs require that you have a valid domain name. So to get started, all you want to do is just click on that link, okay, below this video, or visit startupbrain.com/Bluehost, then click on Get Started right here. And you can see they have so many amazing packages here. Usually the basic one is sufficient enough for you to get started with your blog because it's got enough storage, it's got all the requirements that you need to set up your blog. So if you have just one blog, then it's perfect to go for the basic plan. But if you plan on creating multiple different websites, then you may want to look at all the other options. We're just going to select this package right here, and they actually charge you on an annual basis. So it's about $3 a month, but you have to pay annually for that package. And another thing about Bluehost is you actually get access to a free domain name as well. So you can literally come here and just search for a domain name of your choice. So that's www.yourbusinessname or whatever you want to call your blog.com. Or if you already have a domain name that you registered elsewhere, you can still use that there, okay? So I'm just going to go there and just do something crazy, okay? Just anything there just to show you guys for the sake of this demonstration. So as you can see right here, it says the domain name is available. If it's not available, you will get that message telling you it's not available as well. So again, this domain name is included free of charge with Bluehost, and you can just go there and just complete all that information right there. As you can see, key in your name, address, phone number, email address, and then you can see the package information here, of course. And we have the basic plan, which is about £2.95 a month if you go for the 36-month deal. So if you're going to be going for a 3-year package at once, then it will save you money in the long run. Again, you're only spending about 50 something bucks a year for your website. Think about it. What business will you start for 53 bucks, right? So think about it as a long-term investment in your business, okay? Now, there's other extra packages here as well. I would recommend that you definitely go for the domain privacy protection, because then it means it protects your website from hackers and spam and, you know, all that junk that we don't need. And then we have things like CodeGuard Basic. I wouldn't worry too much about this. And then another thing I would highly recommend you get is the SiteLock security, because then it ensures that your website is actually secured. Sometimes you go to a website and you get a message at the top browser that says not secured. We don't want that. We want to have a secured, a padlock at the top of your website. Okay, of course, here we can key in our payment information, and of course this covers for the entire year, so you don't have to pay anything extra for an entire year. And then just come down here, agree to the terms and conditions and all that exciting stuff, and then just click on submit once you're ready, and you should get an email with your login details to access your Bluehost account. Okay, so once you've registered with Bluehost, you should get access to your login details where you can access your WordPress dashboard. And if you're struggling with this, just contact Bluehost and find out from them how they can get your WordPress access set up. Super easy. Okay, so once you have your WordPress dashboard set up, you can then go into the WordPress dashboard, and the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to go to the appearance. I'm actually on my blog Startup Brain right now, so I already have a lot of things set up there, but you can go to the appearance section and just change the theme to whatever you want your blog to look like. Okay, there's so many themes you can use for your blog, but I usually recommend that you play around and just pick whatever themes suit you best, because everybody has different tastes, right? So to do that, you want to go to the appearance section, go to the themes, and then click on add new. And then what you want to do is click on the feature filter option right here, and you can see there's different themes for different types of websites. If you're creating an e-commerce website, for example, you can go for e-commerce, and it will bring you different types of e-commerce themes. But because we're setting up a blog, okay, we're going to select blog and then apply filters. And what you will notice here is we now have all these different blog themes that you can choose from, right? It's up to you to just, look around and see whatever suits you, or whatever, you resonate best with. So, let's just have a look. Let's just assume that we want to go for this one. You can click on details and preview actually to preview what that blog is likely to look like once you install it. Okay, I'll just go back. You can actually go here as well and just press on these buttons to see the different themes that are present there. So if you wanted to use this theme, then all you have to do is just install the theme first of all, but I'm not going to do it because I don't want to change my blog right now. I'm just showing you guys how it works. And then of course you want to activate that theme in order for it to change the look and feel of your blog. Okay, so once you have your theme activated, the next thing you want to do is you want to start creating some content in your blog. And in order to create content in your blog, you want to go to the post option right here. Okay, and then you want to add a new post right there. Okay, so this is where you're going to be creating different types of content, how-to content, review content, whatever content you want to put there about the products that you're trying to promote. Okay, so this section is vital for you as a blogger. Now, in order to get started, obviously as an Amazon affiliate, I always recommend you have at least 10 to 15 different blog posts pre-created, okay, in advance before you apply for an Amazon affiliate account. Why? Because when you have enough content in your blog, you're essentially telling Amazon that you are a legitimate person, you are a legitimate business, and you're going to be running this business legitimately, right? But if you go on and submit a blog that has maybe 1 or 2 posts within it, then they're going to be looking at you like, I don't think this person is quite serious about running a business, so we're not going to approve their account. And I'm not saying that if you don't have any content, you're not going to get approved, but to minimize the chances of your account being rejected, I would recommend you have at least 10 to 15 blog posts. It shows that you are legitimate, it shows that you are serious, and it increases your chances of being approved as an Amazon affiliate. Okay, assuming that you wanted to promote products around the baby niche, then you want to start creating content around, you know, baby products. You want to start talking about anything that's related to babies, right? Baby weaning, anything that's related to babies around that niche. Think about the type of things that people will be going on Google looking for around babies, right? So what problems do parents have around babies? So you want to start creating useful content around your specific niche. Okay, if your niche is weight loss, you want to start writing content around how to lose weight, the best weight loss recipes, you know, just anything that people will be looking for around that niche. Okay, so I know that a lot of people struggle at this point because they're just getting started. They have no idea what to write about, and no matter how passionate you are about your niche, it's very easy to get brain fart. You literally are stuck with a pitch like so, and you don't even know where to start. Now, if you've got no idea what to write about, you can go to platforms such as Quora.com and then just type in, you can put in something like baby, I don't know, let's put baby care, I don't know, baby care. Let's put baby care there and see what type of questions people are asking for. Which baby products are good? Where can I get the best baby care products at the best price? Can you see all those questions people are asking for around the baby niche? So these are things that you can now start creating content around. These are some great content ideas that you can start looking into. And the good thing is, when you start creating content based on what people are already searching for, you can actually come back onto Quora and cross-promote your blog by responding to this question. So you're essentially looking for what people are already searching for, giving them the answer, and then cross-promoting your blog and your content, okay, by basically giving them the answers that they're looking for. That's a really powerful way to start creating content. Another platform I recommend is to check out private label right articles. Now, private label right articles are basically articles that have already been pre-created for you. So these are articles that have been done for you already. All you have to do is copy them and repost in your blog. Now, you're legally allowed to reuse this because, again, it comes with private label rights. As you can see right here, it comes with transferable private label rights. So you can basically go here, get access to, I think there's about hundreds of thousands of different articles around different niches. Okay, there's about 300,000 plus articles, right, that you can literally gain access to, and you can see all the different niches that are covered here. So all you have to do is just purchase this. I think it's only a one-off fee of $29. Okay, so you can download all these articles for only $29, reuse them in your blog as your own. You can obviously edit them, do whatever you want to do with the content, and then fill your blog with a good 10 to 15 blog posts. So this is an easy way to get access to hundreds of thousands of articles that you are legally allowed to reuse in your blog. Okay, so if you're still stranded and you don't know what to write about, I highly recommend you check out private label right articles. It's the easiest way to pack your blog with lots and lots of rich content that will get your account approved. Okay, another way you can get content for your blog is to use platforms such as Fiverr.com. Now, this is slightly more expensive, of course, because you have to pay people to actually write the blog post for you. And as you can see, if you go on Fiverr right now and type for ghostwriters, they're actually charging you based on the number of words that you're looking for. Okay, charging you based on the number of words that you're looking for. So if you wanted a 500-word article, they're going to charge you a certain amount for that, and you're actually, you know, you're basically paying them to create different blog posts for you, which can really get super expensive, as you can imagine, if you're going to be paying people to create blog posts for you. So if they're charging you per blog post, then how much are they going to charge you for 10 to 15 blog posts, right? So I would recommend that you only do this if you must. If you have the money to pay people to do it for you, that's fine. But I mean, you can get PLR articles and just do it yourself, right? Just go in and edit it. I mean, it may not be the best, you know, it may not be written the way you want it to look like, but at least it gives you a good feel and something you can start working with. Content that you can literally just edit, or you can just use as it is. Okay, so now we've talked about your niche, we've talked about creating your blog, adding content to your blog. The next thing we want to do now is register for an Amazon account. Okay, so in order to get started as an Amazon affiliate, of course, you need to make sure you have your blog set up, okay, and some content within your blog to prove to Amazon that you are a legitimate business person, basically. Okay, so once you have all that set up, you want to come to the Amazon Associates website. You can just go onto Google and Google Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Program, and it will bring you to this page right here. So all you want to do is sign up for a free account. Again, it's free to sign up, and if you are already an existing Amazon customer, it's usually quite easy to just switch over to an Amazon affiliate. Okay, and once you click to sign up, it's just going to be asking you for all the basic information like your name, your address, payment information so they can start paying you once you start making money, of course. You can just click there to sign up for an account, and once your account gets approved, you get an email from Amazon basically confirming all that information. Okay, so once you have your Amazon affiliate account set up, you will then have access to the Amazon affiliate dashboard, which looks very similar to this. Now this is essentially where you're going to be finding different products to promote. Okay, and in order to get started with promoting products, you have two options. You can either just search for the products right here, or you can go to the browse for product section here to select by category. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're just going to go onto Amazon and just type in baby care and just do a search, and hopefully that should bring up some baby care products that we can start promoting within our blog. So you can see right here we've got about 369,000 products that we can promote, which is super amazing. Of course, someone is already asking us where we can get the best baby care products at the best price. It's a no-brainer, right? You can get it from Amazon. So what you can do now is you can just go on and let's just assume you wanted to promote the Tummy Tipper Closer to Nature Healthcare Kit. Then all you have to do is just click there to get the link, okay? And then what you will get here is the different options. You can either get a text and image, so we can embed that within your blog, or you can go for the text only, okay? And then hyperlink that link within whatever you're talking about on your blog post. So you could be talking about the Tummy Tipper Closer to Nature Health, whatever kit that is, or you can just put an image, or you can have add to widget. But what I usually do is, it really depends how you want it to look like. Okay, so you could have, maybe depending on what type of content you have in your blog post, you can have something here like one of the best baby care products, Tummy Tipper. So, you know, when you're writing reviews on the products, you really want to go to the actual product itself and get things like the sort of titles, the descriptions, you know, because if people are actually going on Google searching for all this information, then you really want your blogs to be ranking high within Google for, you know, reviewing those products, right? So if we do that, the Tummy Tipper Closer to Nature Healthcare Kit, and then below that, you know, again, you need to have as much content here as possible. So that could be things like the specs, the description, and if you've purchased it yourself, even better, you can even have a video reviewing that kit, right? And then at the bottom of the link, you can tell people something like, if you want to get this for the most affordable price, make sure to click down below this link, okay? And that link should then be the link to the actual product, which is this, right? So what we could do is we could actually go and highlight that HTML code, okay? Don't worry, I know it looks like a lot of jargon, but trust me, okay? We're just going to click on highlight, and then if you go back to your blog, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the text tab right there, and then you can just paste that code right there. And if you go back to the visual, you can see right here that has now automatically transformed that, okay? So you can see now that jargon HTML is now an actual product, okay? Is now a link to the actual product. And if people click on that link, guess what? It takes them straight to your own unique referral link, and if they buy that, you get paid by Amazon. It's super easy, guys. If you wanted to just hyperlink your text into the content, you can do the exact same thing, okay? So there's different ways you can do it. Or if you wanted just the image, again, you can just highlight that image right there. Once we click there, it should automatically take them straight to that product, and if they buy that product, guess what? You get paid by Amazon. And if they came here and decided, okay, I wanted to buy other products, as you can see right here, Amazon is also recommending other products that they may be interested in. If they bought all these other products within the next 24 hours, you get paid a commission, right? And if they decided to buy all these other products right here, which are also related, guess what? You still get paid, as long as it's within that 24-hour period of them receiving your link, okay, or clicking through your link. So guys, this is pretty much how you get started as an Amazon affiliate. It's super easy to get started. And of course, moving forward, you don't want to just leave it at 10 to 15 blog posts, because this is where a lot of people get it wrong, okay? They create content, they get approved, and then they stop it, okay? Or maybe they've just started and they haven't made a sale, and they somehow just want to give up because no one's buying. It takes time for your content to start ranking within Google. It takes time, okay? If you are a mama out there, of course, you're going to be needing products like this for your babies anyway. Hence why I stress you go for something you're passionate about and something you already spend money on, right? Because then you can also buy these products and actually do video reviews of what the products look like, how to use the products, right? And when you start creating content that people are already searching for, because people obviously will be looking for how to use these products before they buy it, okay? So when you're offering that type of content, you're building an audience, you're nurturing people, you're building trust, and then you're building yourself as an authority authority in that niche, and when more and more people start visiting your blog, viewing your content, they're going to start buying from you, buying through your link, and you start making money on Amazon. So it's not an overnight success. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You need to be consistent. If you want to make big money as an Amazon affiliate, you need to invest time in creating content, even if it's just 1 to 2 blog posts a week, reviewing different products on Amazon. That's more than enough, guys, to get you to the level of success that you want. Okay, so